Welcome back to jg.garage. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this wireless car phone mount charger that I bought from Amazon. So this charger mount should work on pretty much all phones that have wireless charging. In the box, it comes with a USB-C cable, a vent mount clip, the wireless phone mount, the suction mount, dash attachment plate, and the instructions. So the reason why I bought this particular wireless mount is because it comes with this dash attachment plate, which sticks onto the dashboard where the suction mount will mount onto, making it more secure. This is my old wireless phone mount and would always fall off from the dash. It would fall off because of a bump, or because of the phone's weight, or just because of the heat. This suction mount just isn't good enough and is too small. And if you compare the two, you can see the size difference. Also, this phone mount makes clicking noises when these arms close, so definitely something's wrong with it. Alright, so taking a closer look at the phone mount, there's two buttons on each side which opens the side arms. On the front is a sensor that closes the side arms when you put your phone on. On the back is a button that releases the bottom side, which allows you to adjust your phone on the mount, and there are two LEDs on the bottom for the charging status. Alright, so I'm going to be mounting it on this side, and I'm just going to use some alcohol on the microfiber towel. And since I'm going to be using this adhesive, I'm going to use some alcohol just to make sure that the adhesive sticks much better. And you know it's nice and clean. This one actually has some holes that maybe you could screw in, but I wouldn't recommend doing that to your dash. So I'm just gonna place it where I think I'm gonna put it. And then for this right here, I'm gonna need it longer, so I'm gonna have it this way. I'm just gonna connect this side. So for this one, you're going to unscrew this until it's loosened, and then you're just gonna push this straight in. Okay, there we go. And when it's in, you're just gonna tighten this. So I wanna make sure that I don't block the air vent. I'm gonna remove the cover of the adhesive. So I'm gonna stick this on for now. So I'm not sure. I think turn it to the right. All right, I'm just gonna put the cord so we can see how it lays on the dashboard. All right, so I positioned it where I want it, and this thing is really sticky. So what I'm gonna do now is turn this clockwise, which locks it in place. All right, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go, and it clicks, and now it should be secure to the dashboard. Now I'm gonna tighten all the joints to where I want it to be, so it's nice and secure. And as you can see, it closes. Now to remove it, you're gonna press on the side and it releases the side. Put it back on. All right guys, so this suction cup is really strong. Now it makes me wonder if I could have put it straight onto the dashboard without the attachment plate, but since I had it, I might as well just do it. So now my only concern is that if in the future I decide to remove this mount, that it's not gonna damage my dash. So I also wanna show you this LED. It's a purple blinking LED, which means that the phone is charging. So when I press this and remove the phone, the LED stops. When I put back on the phone, it starts to blink again and the phone is now charging. All right, now let's take it for a drive to see how well it does when driving. All right guys, so now I'm driving with a phone mount, and so far it looks to be secure. The road is quite bumpy and it's doing fine. If you guys are curious, the app that I have on the phone right now is my Torque Pro app. So my impressions on this is that it's actually pretty good. The suction cup is really sticky. It was actually hard to remove. The joints are really secure as well. The phone hasn't moved position from when I first put it on. The only thing I don't like is that when I turn off the car, the side arms stay closed. I've seen other wireless phone mounts that when you turn off the car, the arms open, which allows you to take off the phone. So if you forget your phone, you're gonna have to put the key back on, put it to the on position or accessory position just to release the phone, because the phone's not gonna open without the power. So that's my only complaint, but other than that, the suction cup is really good. I guess time will tell if this is a good mount. I'm hoping that even with the heat, it stays on and doesn't fall off. Actually, what's falling off is this camera. It's actually just on the Gorilla Pod on the passenger seat, so it's not secured. So even just trying to shake it up, that thing is really stuck on there. I'm really happy about that. Because the old one I had, just the slightest movement, it would fall off. So this is really secure. And I'm just using a regular USB. I actually had to upgrade this to a quick charge charger. But for now, it's working fine. So since I just plugged it in, it opened, but it realized there's a phone, so it's gonna close. So what I'm gonna do now is park the car under the sun without a sunshade, and we'll see how the phone mount does after that. All right, so today is the next day, and it was under the sun yesterday, and today it's still secured. So let's try it with the phone. It's not lifting, so that's really good. If I shake it, I can still feel it like stuck onto the dashboard. So that's really good news. So yeah, I'm really happy about this so far. Maybe in the future, I'll let you guys know if this holds up. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Give this video a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.